Okay, yesterday we fired this puppy up. That's a 390 cubic inch, 6.4 liter V8 Ford Galaxie XL. Yesterday we fired her up, verified that the bottom end is good. I got to change the heads out on this engine because this engine is going in a 1969 Mach 1 Mustang, and there's a different bolt pattern on the heads for the Mustang. Ford designed the exhaust manifolds so that they fit that smaller chassis and would not interfere with the steering column and whatever else under the hood. And I want the actual authentic 14 bolt pattern C8AE-H with a 14 bolt pattern. This is a C8AEH head with the 8 bolt pattern on it, made for the full size vehicles. I don't know, behind that spark plug you should be able to see that C8AEH down on there. Not the right head and exhaust manifold pattern for what my intended use is. So the whole top end comes out, and I got the correct heads that should be here Tuesday, and I'm gonna take advantage of the time in between, get this all taken down and get it ready to install those new heads, or replacement heads.